I love you, Jordan. What's up, Kimmies and friends? This is gonna be my intro and my outro because I didn't make an intro or outro for this video. Literally, like, I just recorded everything we was doing. We was trying new food spots. We was getting around to see Italy. We were just walking around, just finding places. So this is my intro. What's up, y'all? Like I said, we literally been here for about 2 to 3 weeks, and we don't like it, but we vibing. Like, you already know when I say we on with Dwayne, whatever the case may be, but we are vibing out. I'm actually not with him right now. He's in a room. So like I said, we've been trying food spots, and I'm gonna show y'all the food spots that we tried. I'm gonna show y'all the rates, how we rated the food. We tried bakeries, we walked around, show y'all the scenery and stuff. Just get the Italy vibe. We chilling, you know. Just vibe. Like, we been vibing, you feel me? We making do what we got with each other. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the post notification bell. Click the post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video and every time Dwayne appear in my video. We'll be back with more videos. We got about another 4 months on this ship. So we set our relief date for May. We'll be coming home in May. We just doing the bare minimum because, well, if you go back and look at my last video, you will see why we're doing the bare minimum. We don't like the berthing, like the open berthing. If you don't know what open berthing is, go check out my last video, or go check out my video on ways to make extra money. That'll explain what berthing is. And yeah, y'all, like, thanks for watching. Thanks to all my supporters. I appreciate everybody who interacts with my channel. I'm a beginning YouTuber, an upcoming YouTuber, and y'all be showing love, like mad love. Like, I'm vibing with y'all. Like, I love y'all. Hand heart, period. So anyway, we on the road to 1K, and we're gonna do a giveaway at 1K subscribers. So click the post notification bell and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. I'm begging y'all, period. Like, subscribe, and yeah, we out. Like, I love y'all. We out. What's up, y'all? So we about to go to the mall. They done
dragged us out of our hotel and we gotta go to work.
Yeah, and we about to go to the mall real quick to get some
we gotta get you threw me off. Laundry detergent
and shower shoes.
So
that's what we gotta do.
And we gonna look at these Wi-Fi boxes.
Yeah, cause they don't got no Wi-Fi. Oh, this is an East Coast shit. That's
yeah, this is East Coast.
I'm about to tell John, like, how you a West Coast ship and got Wi-Fi?
My last ship was West Coast ship, we had no Wi-Fi.
But my West Coast ship, I had a Wi-Fi there.
What kind of ship was that?
AKE.
AKE?
Yeah, but we out. Cause we probably can't record it here anyway.
Oh yeah, cause that bounty hunter ran you down.
Alright, not too much.
You can shut them the mall.
I know, probably. Met somebody. Why not? Yeah.
This our personal driver right here.
Well, he play too much, but you a child. No, he not. He a yeoman.
This is our security.
Make sure we get to the ship.
Y'all don't play with us. He ready. He ready. You see how you walking?
Hey, you is crazy. Okay, tell them we'll be back.
We're gonna be back.
I love you, Jordan. What's up, y'all? So they separated us, obviously, because I'm a girl, he a boy. But I don't know where he's at. I barely know where I'm at. This ship is way different because it's an actual Navy ship. So we in open berthing, and it's completely different than what we used to. And we supposed to actually do a year up here. I don't think we're gonna do a year the way that this is set up. Honestly, I think we're gonna do this 5.5 months, maybe 6. Leave in June. And we both argument, so we should be able to leave on time. I'm gonna show y'all this room. It is horrible. I hate it here. Boo. Tomatoes, 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 throwing tomatoes. You can see I'm sitting on a bunk bed. It's the bunk bed. Oh wait, and it's really small. This is what it look like. You got a TV right there, and a mini fridge right here. But I share a room with a girl, so I don't know if this like her mini fridge or not. And then this is supposed to be my bed up here, and that's her bed down there. Which I'm pretty sure she's probably smaller than me, so she need to get the bottom one for real, for real. Then I got a locker, and we got a sink and stuff. I don't know. Oh wait, so the light was on. I don't know. I just don't like it. This is what it is. It's weird, and I'm about to go see if I can find Dwayne and pretty much just complain. Basically, I'm about to find him just so we can complain and talk about it together. Basically, that's all we're gonna do. We can't change nothing, so we're just gonna talk about it and laugh about it until June, basically. So I'm gonna show y'all what he got to say about it. I'm pretty sure he gonna talk about it. Cause it's horrible. And then I don't get open birthday. I got to share a room with somebody. I don't even get open birthday. I ain't getting that money. That shit money. No sir. He is though, but no sir. I'm not messing with it. So I'll be back. Okay.
What up?
Okay, so how you feel about the living arrangements?
Sucks.
And how you feel about it, period?
It sucks. Everything sucks. Everything.
I elaborated on mine.
What I was telling you is just like having your own apartment and then going back to live with a family member or something.
Yeah.
It's like you had your own space, your own rules, and then you going back to you can't do this, you can't do that, and you got to be like courteous of the people in your area.
Yeah.
That's the perfect example, I feel like.
Yeah, we don't.
Or like go to like having your own car to going to go share a car with somebody.
Yeah. So we don't like it. More the story.
Yeah. And it's more so not that I don't like it. I'm just not a good person with sharing my things, and I feel like it makes me feel uncomfortable.
Like it. You don't like it.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah. And yeah, because it's not more so you don't like it.
I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's not that I could just say I just like this because it's the first day, but I just feel like I'm just.
And the first day we didn't
when
like
we was on the way here, I had already was telling myself I'm not gonna like it because I don't like that.
Yeah.
Like, people in your space, you got to take public showers. Like that's.
So more of the story, we just trying to like we have positive vibes, and we're going to literally, we don't even know where we're going at. We're just walking. But we try to have positive vibes. And what else? I don't know. Basically, that's it. We plan on doing a year. That's very much not given. I showed y'all the room. Yeah, he said not no more for sure. I showed y'all the room, and I showed y'all his room. Yeah.
Oh, you showed them my room? When did you do that?
Or when you left me?
Really?
I don't know what you did. Yeah, you was somewhere. But yeah, we don't like it. So we're not doing that. Probably 4 months, 5 months. And then we're gone. So yeah. I don't know. We walking right now. We don't know where we're gonna. We just about to find out. Yeah, I guess he's looking up places to go. Cause we didn't want to stay on the ship.
Because you can't, it ain't like you can sit in your room. You're sitting surrounded by people.
Other people, yeah. And you can't be loud, and we loud. Everywhere we go, we loud.
Yeah.
You cannot be loud. So it's like we might as well get outside. Oh, he almost fell in the street. So I don't know. We just gonna.
Everybody just thug it and go straight.
Yeah.
Hold on. This us right here is going straight.
Yeah. So.
I don't know. I see everybody going this way.
Okay, so we go this way. And
but yeah, that's our experience.
Yeah, so far.
I'm really ready to go home.
Me too.
And I was so excited to leave because I like to get back to my grind and my money. I like to
have you on that.
Yeah.
Especially him. Because I could have something, if I don't, like I told y'all before in my last videos, like a couple videos back, if I don't like something, I just don't like it. Nobody can change my mind about it but me. Like, if I don't like something, I don't like it. So right now, I'm stuck on me not liking it. Like, I don't like it, don't F with it at all. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Trying to be cool though. Like, he had bad vibes at first, and I was being nice, like, it's gonna be okay. But, and then we supposed to be augments. So augments are like people who, they don't have no billing, they just extra people on board. So once the time comes,
now we tricked into being permanent. That's another thing that threw the mood off.
Yeah.
We was planning on leaving on time.
Yeah, if you're an augment, you can leave on time. With MSC, you never get relieved on time.
Yeah,
but we could have left.
Whenever. Like, I could have left tomorrow if I wanted to. Like,
type stuff.
It's no set. You're not permanent. But now that we have billet numbers and we're like in spots,
we have to do
now we gotta wait to get reliefs and all the other stuff. Like that.
Yeah. So they kind of like tricked us.
Yeah, they tricked us into this because we was told it was augments.
Yeah, we definitely was told it was augments. Then, like I told y'all, they didn't even know it was coming. So it's just a bunch of knick-knack, paddywhack, get $2 a pound. We the dogs at this point.
Yeah.
Cause they definitely ate us up.
Yeah.
Like some Chinese food. So it's really like bad vibes. So basically, y'all, we venting y'all at this point. Yeah,
that's what we doing. We ain't got nobody else to talk to.
No, but each other.
We surrounded by all these strangers.
Yeah. I mean, we got LG them on the ship, but we work different departments, so they on the ship and they gotta work and stuff. Yeah. And we outside.
Yeah, they supposed to be with us, sure.
Yeah. So everything kind of different right now, and we just gonna do our time and go home.
So all we got is each other at this point.
We've been here that anyway.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Pretty much. So we're gonna do our time, go home, and we just had made up a new plan B. Yeah. We're not gonna stay. We're gonna do our time and do a little bit of time at home, and then we're gonna get another ship. And I don't know. Honestly, I'm just gonna put emphasis on no open berthing. Anything could have been a tanker, cause literally I like tankers. He don't care, but I do.
Have no heat. And it's
cold. Freezing, baby.
I'm
like
sleeping in a jacket.
It's freezing.
Yeah. You can't control your own thermostat. That's what I was meaning about having your own room.
Yeah.
You can't control your thermostat now that you're surrounded by people.
Yeah. But you got your own room.
You got your own temperature. You set it the way you want it.
Yeah. So.
Oh, this light that bad right here.
Basically, that's what we doing. We was excited to go to come to Italy, but it's different than what we thought.
Yeah, very different.
Yeah. So. I don't know. We just walking and we'll show y'all wherever we go at. Maybe we just need to take a walk. I don't know. So we'll see y'all later.
Peace.
Out.
I love you, Jordan. Yeah. So where we at? I don't know. Restaurant.
It gotta be something else. It can't just be restaurant.
Pizza and pasta.
Yeah.
This food wanted to eat in the end of the day. Again. In Italy.
We was just there.
Yeah.
At the table and everything.
Yeah.
But then you made me second guess.
Yeah.
Because we are in Italy and we're eating buttered chicken and naan.
Mm-hmm. So maybe next week.
Next week?
Not today though.
Maybe tomorrow. Well, we
supposed to be on this shit, yeah. Maybe this weekend. We probably can eat at the carnival.
Ooh. Oh yeah, we are supposed to go to the carnival.
Right. Thank you.
Oh really?
You chill. Don't need no bread.
I know, right? You showed them the bread. It's cold.
Of course it is. I don't like cold stuff. It looks flaky though. Look at it.
turn it so you can focus on it. Like the long way. Now me touching your bread.
Right? I just go down to that. Can you show them the scenery or nothing?
Like, cause I don't even know if we could record in these places. Since I've been traumatized from H&M, I haven't really wanted to record outside no more. I've been scared. Let me taste this. I'm gonna taste it right now. Let's see.
Okay.
It is that.
They like pizza crust.
Let's do.
The brick pizza, like
I just hit it right on the nose. I was about to say it tastes like pita chips but in bread form, but it does taste
it
like
tastes better than pizza chips. I don't really like pizza.
Why am I recording my mouth? I don't like pizza chips either. This is good. We're gonna need a more after this. Another one?
Huh?
Another one. He be always shaming me for what I eat. But when I do it to him, he be like, he don't care. I be saying, I don't care neither. Yeah, I be like.
But this how only not eating out until the weekend.
I had
work.
Yeah. I had 2 pieces of cake today. He told me I ain't eating another cake. Okay.
And then I have 1 piece of cake. You had 2, so I get a little leeway.
You had cornbread.
That I didn't like.
Me too, it was sweet.
And you told me it tastes like sugar bread.
No, for
The
real.
cornbread was too sweet.
I don't think the chicken was that bad. Honestly. Thank you. I don't think the chicken was that bad.
These cups are cool.
They are. I thought they were dirty at first.
I was, bro, if the cup was this cloudy, you need to find somewhere else to eat.
And after you done scoffed down all that bread.
I know. Want me to pour your wine?
My water, you mean?
Let me pour your wine.
Sure.
Oh, wait, hold up. I ain't got no grip on it.
Yeah, please don't throw out this stuff on this people deal. Thank you. Let's see what's that to me. Oh, it's Jody. Y'all can't see it.
One for you, one for me.
That's what she said.
For the...
Shut up. Alright, y'all, we gonna be back. I'm gonna show y'all our food. What it look like?
Go up.
Shut up.
Oh.
Wait, okay, so thank you.
Oh, wow, more bread.
So this is, what is this?
Caesar salad.
And what is that? Throw up.
There's something lady pig.
It's pesto pasta.
Picked it out the trash.
Yeah, it look crazy. And then this is my food right here.
I don't like that.
I thought this food was gonna look better than mine.
For real,
And then I got a
man.
side look too. You don't like it?
You want to say that? Taste it.
No, that shit look nasty. What is that, color? That sound like colors.
Damn, it's a work jacket.
Okay, well, that does look disgusting. I'm not trying that.
Yes, you is. I'll taste some of yours. Is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall? No, you put No, you're nice to me. She said it's the most popular thing on the menu.
What'd you say?
She said it's the most popular thing on the menu. Probably the worst looking.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
Get into the salad. Get into the salad.
I am.
I'm talking about taste it.
Or I did. It ain't all that.
You want to try this? I bet you that butter chicken and that garlic would have been crazy. You wanted this.
I was thinking that. Well, at least we tried to say we had it.
That tastes like mayonnaise. Come on.
That's what I said.
For real?
I swear to God, I said that. It tastes like mayonnaise on top of that. Do not taste like Caesar dressing. Okay, we out, y'all. This nasty. We wasted our money.
Yeah, this is what, $25?
Wasted our money. What is that you eating?
It's a kebab. I'm not sure what kind of meat come up here.
I don't know neither. We probably eating
Carne.
Carne is meat. Carne just means
just
meat.
say meat, so this could be pork, chicken, beef. I don't know.
But whatever.
That is good. I give it a 9 out of 10.
It is fast and it's spicy. Okay, this is what it look like though. Oh, yeah, I can't even see it. And it got French fries on it, lettuce, tomatoes,
French fries, lettuce, tomatoes, onions.
sauce.
He put white sauce, orange sauce, and
You
tastes
nosy.
like ketchup.
They do. Huh? You gotta record me. Don't use my napkin. I'm about to cut you out.
Okay.
Okay. I already had man. No.
What is it on?
It's good.
1 out of 10.
It's not.
This is better than that Italian food we had the other night.
It is. Definitely.
They came with fries. You showed them the fries too?
You didn't tell me what my mouth off.
Oh, you had that joint in the crowd. I was supposed to tell you, but after I record.
Niggas, that's your niggas.
Yeah, it's all right there.
But yeah. Alright, y'all. So we gonna show y'all when we walk back home. I mean, walk back to the shop. Cause we ain't been vlogging nothing. So we out. Alright, what's up, y'all?
Oh, we're supposed to go to Nike.
Yeah, we know that's it though. That's straight. Straight, right there. So, we've been on our ship for 4 days?
It's actually over here by Nike.
Okay, 4 days. And I'm talking to you.
You're talking to the camera.
I'm talking to you.
On the ship for 4 days.
Question mark, question mark.
We've been there since 2.
Leave me. The food been horrible. And we fresh off work, it's Friday.
The food's not bad, it's the ship.
No, the ship food good.
You said the people was bad.
No, I said the food was bad.
You said the crew bad.
If I go rewind this back and I show you, I said the food.
You said the crew.
Okay, I'm show you. The food is bad.
You can walk and talk.
We haven't had to wait for these people to go by. Ignorant. Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, so hell know how to act.
Oh, why she keep turning around like that?
So yeah, y'all, we about to go find somebody. We just got work, and after that, yeah, after that, we going out. It's somebody like going away party or something. So we going there. And I'm just gonna vlog the rest of the day because I haven't vlogged since we've been here. So we ain't been doing nothing but working. Getting this.
You haven't been going outside either, that's why.
Getting this money. Period.
What you wanna do? Wanna go inside this place? Inside the building?
I wanna try that bakery stuff. I wanna try sweet.
You wanna do what?
Try sweet.
I'm gonna try to eat.
We do supposed to be eating food.
That's what I see you wanna go into. It's a building right here.
We can.
We done already started walking around this mug. You wanna continue?
Sure.
You recording.
I was recording. I was doing it in my bag though because I didn't want to. Bro, I told y'all last time since that man ran around H&M trying to catch me, I never wanted to record again. I be scared.
Miss Johnson like the ship.
Tell him hell nah. You tell him you don't like it either.
Yeah. He texted me. He said, "How do you like the living arrangements?" I said, "Horrible."
Yeah.
Look how sweet that one looks. That motherfucker looks sweet.
You told look how sweet that orange looks. It can go up here right now. I want to try the bakery though. It might not. We might can't go up there though. The door might not open. Oh, we doing everything. We supposed to be going to somebody's party tonight, y'all. Doing everything but getting ready. Doing everything but getting ready. Interest in the other.
Oh.
He can't read. See, I know Italian. I know Italian. Well, we probably could eat here. Or no. They got lamb chops. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's Indian food. No, that's Kenyan food. Kenyan. Like African. You wanna eat here? You wanna eat here? You irritating me. I ain't gonna keep saying that shit. For real. They probably don't take card. You wanna try Kenyan food?
You don't take card.
You wanna try Kenyan food? Or you wanna go to KFC and play it safe? Cause I seen it had samosas and that's Indian, but it says Kenyan food. That might be good. We never had that before. You wanna look at the menu? We can't read the menu. It's in Italian.
Look at that burger.
We don't eat burgers. Uh-huh.
She take pride in her food.
Uh-huh. Well, he don't know what to say out his mouth. He get on my nerves so bad.
I eat this, but I'm gonna be hungry soon.
Okay, we're going to KFC then.
See, I definitely, you know me, I know I'm gonna be hungry.
Couscous.
We're gonna definitely come back and try something.
Okay. Okay.
So in February, we're gonna try something.
We can come tomorrow.
Yeah, we can.
Because tomorrow,
We can try something.
overtime day. So we go to work, we come back here. Anyway, so it don't even matter. Ooh, they got wine on the show. Entrada and Usita is exit probably.
I want to go to that bakery with the man with the white hair.
You do, me too. So we can go there.
But that means we need to go backwards, because if we go to KFC, that's over.
It don't matter, we can do both.
His birthday party started at 8 and it's 7. We ain't took no shower.
Oh my gosh.
You can vlog his birthday party. I love it.
No, I don't want them in my stuff.
I love it.
So you don't want to go? You want to go to that bakery? You don't
I just
wanna
wanted
go
to eat.
What is that bakery? What is that bakery closed though?
Which one? Which bakery?
The one we passed.
We passed one? Or the one that got one?
He getting on my nerves so bad. Oh my god. What here? Oh.
Ready to knock me out?
Yeah, because you're getting on my nerves. We didn't even come this way.
It just smells fishy.
This not the way we came. You heard me? That's not the way we came. Look at your phone.
You want to use my phone for everything under the sun.
I don't have no data, y'all, so he don't got no choice but to use that phone.
We about to be at this fish restaurant.
It smells so bad.
We about to go here.
No, go to KFC. Please.
You said you wanted to try something, but you don't want to try nothing.
All these little kids be looking at me every time I'm recording, y'all. I would flip the camera on her when she looking at me, but look. Hurry up.
Hey, let's go.
Stink so bad.
Yeah.
Hold on, we gonna show y'all when we get KFC. Plastic. What? Girl, I don't know what this say. Oh, Saria. He can't read anyway. He can't even read English, so we know.
Literally English.
It does smell good.
Yeah, this shit $3, $4, $5.
For real? What is it say? I don't know how to say it.
Oh my, look, this thing making me.
It gotta be 5 because it's not that many left.
Oh, it's a sample.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you could sample that.
she pregnant. She looks so pretty. Come on. It does. After she said card, we gotta.
This right here.
That. No, that right there, Baba. I don't know what that is. That looks good too. Hold on, wait.
With that chocolate.
Oh, this is right quick. Let me ask you. I take card. They like candy fruit.
Oh, that looks good.
I don't not with my braces, it don't.
That chocolate look good. I don't even like chocolate.
Oh, they got macarons. But you want to try from France.
How much are those? If they cheap, I try it.
Okay, so you can try one macaron each. And what else? Come on, you only live once. Stop being cheap. This looks so good. I like shortbread. I know, I like shortbread. No, they're not gonna hit the same. Look, I said these look good, y'all. Right here.
Oh, that's mousse chocolate.
Yeah, we don't like that.
I tasted that. Yeah, you nervous.
I mean, I want nothing that you gave me that you pointed to the first time.
Yeah, because I know good eat.
You don't know nothing.
No good.
So look at this. This look hard. You don't ever want to come outside.
What do you mean I want to come outside?
You never want to come outside.
Oh, because we're working. We come out on the weekends. We're coming out tomorrow too.
I'm sick and tired of working. I just need to be a housewife already. I think so bad. Okay, y'all. So we went to this bakery.
We need to try it.
And we can try it while we walk.
Yeah.
Give me my bag.
Yeah.
And you need to put your phone in your pocket.
I'm supposed to be using my map.
Oh, give it to me. You can't even, you can't tell the map anyway.
Well, this is what presentation look like. Wrapped it up.
Yeah. Yeah. I should have told her we needed there, but I told her to go just so she could do the most. Go on, wrap it on up. Might as well. Got the street. We don't know if we're going the right way or not because you got the thing. Come over here. And this is what it look like.
Okay.
Ooh.
You so raw.
I know.
Trying to show them. They can see the same thing.
I know. Okay, yeah. Especially out here, we can go to jail probably. So this would look like, this is souffle, so I'm guessing it got cheese in it. Probably need to put some heat on it.
Yeah, it says souffle with ricotta.
Ricotta cheese, yeah. And then I don't know what this is. It just look real good.
I want this one now.
Alright, boom. So you want to try it first or you want to try it together?
I'm going to try it first and then I can flip and show it.
Okay, go ahead.
I want this one.
Ugh. Why I look like is it hard? I hate when he be chewing like that. Go ahead. Rate it. 10 out of
9.
out of 10? What could have been different? What could have been different? Too much whipped cream?
I think so.
Yeah, I don't like a lot of whipped cream either. They don't know how to speak English either. Try the other junk, the souffle.
Damn, okay.
You might need to clear your palate. We don't got no water.
This hard. And
I know, I seen it.
Off rip, this loser point.
Boy, come on. Is it good? See, you don't be recording me like
7.
this. 7. I believe you, because you know good eats. Okay. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna eat it, but
Let's go. Let me make sure I got it, because you know me, I go to drop stuff. I got it. Okay. I'm gonna try the souffle first.
okay.
I don't even like, I just started liking cream cheese, so. Oh. I like it.
It's good, but
This tastes like cheesecake, but like bread form.
maybe it feels hotter.
This is, I don't need to have it.
You don't like it? Okay.
It tastes like lemon.
Yeah, like a lemon cake. Yeah, I could, yeah. Yeah, for sure. Nah.
Recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, boom, my camera died, so we back at it. Oh, this soft.
Yeah, I like
I
it,
don't
that
like a lot of whipped cream though.
one. Yeah. And we don't got no napkins, bro. I like that one better than the other one.
I don't like this one better than the other one.
For real?
And I like sweet, so I'm gonna eat the whole thing. It's too much.
Too much cream. But it's good.
And it's not sweet enough. It tastes like bread.
Go ahead and finish the other one.
Oh, I mean, I'm obsessed.
Alright.
And this lady looking at me.
Oh God. Hold on, I'm about to pause y'all out real quick.
Huh? Honestly, you would think this your channel because I be just recording you all day. Yeah. I don't like working on this stuff. I got anxiety. Nah, I don't go back to that same bakery. Or maybe we could try a different one.
We can, that's the point.
Tomorrow.
Try somewhere different. Is that what you said?
Yeah, but that cheese sandwich was really good. I can't let it go. It tastes so much like lemon cheesecake.
It's the wrong street. I don't walk it.
We didn't walk on here. We walked on the cross. We walked across the street. That's why. We didn't walk on this side.
I love you, Jordan.
I don't know. Pita and chips. I don't know.
Okay. Don't record it. You try it.
Come on, you request.
I don't know what this dude is.
I don't know. Which one you get? Green? He said green is spicy. It's nasty? I don't like stuff like that.
Try it again,
I ain't never tried it.
It ain't that bad.
That shit is hot.
What's this?
Like that. Swipe that off the table.
It tastes like mustard.
I don't want that shit. She's looking at you.
I'm eating. I don't like it. I know we had food fucking off. Excuse me. Excuse me, you two. You're messing up. You're messing up.
Okay, we better put some drinks. Nothing wrong with your rubber gut. This cheesy naan instead of garlic naan. That ain't fire. Garlic naan better though.
No, this better.
Ugh.
I don't like when you watch me eat. Every time I eat, you say it's good or ugh.
I told you.
Baby, you got the camera about thing. I like to eat the I like to eat the way I like to eat.
Okay. We're gonna show y'all our food when we come out.
Put the camera on you, man.
My lips white.
You just told me to lick mine. This is $20.
This is close to the right color.
It's $20 wasted.
Yeah. This honey lamb and that's butter chicken.
This got cold.
Mm-hmm.
I got that on my bread.
Yeah, like it's an annihilator. Eat the paper.
Talk about that. People didn't eat it out.
I love you, Jordan.
Why do I always have to do it?
I always explain everything.
So, eating gelato?
Yeah.
I know I picked this one, pistachio. What's this flavor?
Nacholado, Nakakala. I don't know. It sounds like my name. It's like Nicolia or something like that. Something Nicolia. You gonna try them together, fool. You supposed to try them each.
The pistachio better than that brown one.
Rate it.
8 out of 10.
What's the other one?
Oh, pistachio, I do 9.
Okay. Alright, let's switch.
This one probably a 7.
Okay, let's switch. Well, I've been eating this already, so.
What you rated it?
It's like a nutty flavor. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes because can you tell you how it tastes? So
It do taste
Nichelado, whatever it's called, like a nutty flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like almond. And then pistachio, I don't know how that tastes. It tastes like pistachio ice cream.
Pistachio ice cream tastes like almond to me. Almond icing.
It do taste like almond ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
But not almond ice cream.
No, for sure.
They got 2 different tastes. But it's real similar, so I rate both of them a 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. So
This one and this one.
okay. We're ready. Then we're about to go to the bakery. And then I'm gonna go get food. And don't ask me why I'm eating sweets before food, because he ate without me, that's why. You ready? So we went to this restaurant, and we got well, I got curry chicken and coconut rice. And this is like fries. So it's like fried fries, but it got spinach in it. So it's like fried potatoes with spinach. And then there's some spicy sauce. So, hello. I want to try it. I'm going to tell you this is like to me.
Is it good?
This is canned food, but it tastes like Jamaican curry. And you can taste the coconut and the rice. It's gonna be like a 9 out of 10. Okay. But it's not real cold, it's not real warm. I guess it's just sitting out. So yeah. What you like about it? Do you like it or you don't like it?
I do like it.
Okay.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Same.
It's really good.
What do you got?
I told him I don't know what this is.
Okay, so it's called, yeah, a meat sauce.
What kind of sauce?
Like it's like an African sauce because they be having that sauce with
I thought it was
like
curry sauce because he said the same thing but beef.
this not curry. This the curry sauce though. I don't know. Shoot, I seen a sauce like that before, but with lamb. When I got that African food and I got lamb, they had that sauce, but it was spicy. Is that spicy?
No.
And that's African bread?
Yeah, this is really good.
Okay. Can I try it?
No.
Why? You gotta feed me.
I don't have to eat.
Yes, you do. Okay. You done?
You want me to actually feed you, or you want to? You want to taste it yourself? Or
Is you done talking or what? You want to try this turkey? You say like Jamaican food.
I love you, Jordan.